Crowd over there.
It's fucking in.
No, there isn't, Craig.
Where's fucking Rob? Rob! Right, let's get him. Do you want a rep or a He's supposed to be fighting, not hugging. No, we're waiting for him. There he is. There's the rep. Alright then, boys. I want a nice clean fight. No headshots, nothing below the fucking belt. If you do a shot below the belt, it's a penalty shot to the opponent, as you know. Keep it clean, keep it nice. You're going to do it in minute or 2 minute rounds, depending on my discretion or when I ask for it. I'm not going to lie. And I want this fight to last. I want it to be long. Keep it with the rabbit punches.
Sit far back.
Yeah, I want to get close. So guys, keep it clean. Keep rock and roll.
Punch the bigger faggot.
Oh, this is a heavy one.
Look at his hand back the door.
Oh, that was the back.
Come on, he turned his back away, Rat.
Penalty shot to Samwise. Come on, get in. Fight.
It's like for me is
Duncan.
What do you think of the fight so far? I like that solar plex fight, that hit.
I think at the moment they're just being a bit gay. They need to just get on with it.
It's getting into it. Let them warm up first.
All right, keep it away from
Just hope it doesn't take them too long.
It shouldn't do. I'd give it another minute or so, then they'll.
The crowd don't like this.
No, the crowd are not.
They really
happy
want them
with
to
the
get
result.
into this quicker.
Move back.
They appear to think that the champion is gay.
Head in the bush. In the George.
Right, time. Round up.
Never before has that been out of the ringside.
There you go. You alright? Still up for swinging?
I'm going to another
Bleeding.
No, it's not.
He is.
He is, he's actually bleeding.
Right. Best thing you can do, right? It's got a long reach.
Thorney,
Keep inside and you're doing the right thing. Just keep inside. Keep them digging in.
I'll give you both the same. Don't be so quick to fight, you know. Just
Dude, Saps, just what you do, just get on the inside. He's got a long reach. Keep inside that reach. He's not going to get you. Once you're inside that reach, he's not going to be able to swing the ball out. And when he does
How you feeling?
walk towards it.
Oi, how you feeling?
not happy. Keep turning his back on me. Keep doing that game. Keep going short and down.
You up for another round? Give me a shout when you're ready, alright?
Come on, Umbongo.
Fuck, my battery's dying.
Oh, it's alright, I'll get it.
Fucking caning right now.
Yeah, I'm feeling fine.
I don't know how many rounds.
Hurry up!
Thorny's already bleeding now. He's obviously got a fucking good shot.
Over that Thorny himself.
Thorny's bleeding.
Exactly. Keep composure. Don't get something.
That's not so good.
The media career is good. Alright, ready? Ready? Round in.
He's making sound effects
He does taekwondo.
Oh, basketball.
That's it, I'm done.
Alright, winner. Nice done, boys.
Winner by forfeit is Thorny after.
Who wins?
I want my money back.
Who won?
How'd you feel?
Fucking great. Fucking brilliant.
Right, boys.